friends, this is Sarah from Crafting and Relaxing, and today I'm unboxing the Simon Says stamp kit, and it just landed, and this is my friend's kit. They have a coupon in here for a purchase and some sequins, and I'm wondering if the sequins were like an add-on or a gift because they're outside of the thing, but we'll see. I didn't peek at all. I like sequins like that are clear. Okay, so we have a little piece of candy for your crafting. And some gorgeous Cartabella Flower Market tape. This is fabulous. I think I've been eyeing this collection, but I don't have. Love this washi. I like washi tapes that have a lot of different colors in them. And some alcohol blending solution and alcohol pearls. Intrigue. This is a fabulous color. This is one that I kept using in my videos. And Sublime. I like that one too. And Tranquil. Okay, those are all great colors. I'm going to go ahead. You can't see as well in the plastic. There we go. And these are not alcohol inks. These are the alcohol pearls with the metallic in them. So they have that shaker, and you mix them up, and then they have that shimmer in them when you use them. They're not flat. Okay, Moda Scrap. I have some of this brand paper, and I do like it. The collection is Let Your Soul Bloom, and it's lovely. I'm not familiar with this collection. I have a winter collection from them that I saw and absolutely had to have. And I wasn't familiar with them before. The paper is design and print in Italy, so it's a little unusual for us. And I'll just go through these. You can see that their patterns are just lovely. This one's very artistic and delicate. These are like flower butterflies, maybe? I don't know. And a watercolor. And some more florals. And I like this little one. This is a nice size for making cards, the scale of it. And a pink. And another floral. And these butterflies. They're just very artistic, dainty. And this one's like a mauve. Gray pink, maybe? Is that a color? Gray pink. And the others. There we go. Very, very cute. Great paper. And then we have some envelopes. These are shimmer. I don't know if you can tell on camera, but they were definitely chosen to go with the Intrigue and the Sublime, the color palette that we have here. And obviously, this is a lovely, lovely kit they've put together. And some more shimmer. Ooh, this is shocking. This is sparkle, like it looks like a glitter paper, but it feels very smooth. There's nothing's going to come off of it or make a mess, anything like that. And then here's some paper, slick paper for the alcohol ink. And let's read. I'm not as familiar with the Simon Says. Okay, here we go. Kit includes one exclusive Simon Says stamp, Delicate Flowers 6x8 clear stamp set. We'll look at that in a minute. 12 single-sided sheets of Moda Scrap, Let Your Soul Bloom. We looked at those in 6x6. One bottle each of Tim Holtz Ranger alcohol pearls in Sublime, Intrigue, and Tranquil. And one bottle of Tim Holtz regular alcohol blending solution. That's a little bit small bottle, but that's fine if you just have a couple bottles. And I do have alcohol ink videos if you want to see about those. One roll of Cartabella Flower Bouquet washi tape. That's fabulous. I should snag that out of my friend's kit, huh? 2 sheets of 4x7 Yupo paper. Okay, so these slick ones right here, those are the Yupo. They're white and very slick, and I've done some demos with that alcohol ink videos. 2 sheets of Tim Holtz alcohol ink cardstock silver sparkle. That must be what this is. I have never used this, never seen it. I didn't know it was for alcohol ink. I want to die cut it. It is gorgeous. I would definitely buy this. 1 each of Simon Says stamp envelopes in metallic green leaf, metallic cotton candy, and white. And 1 each of Simon Says stamp cardstocks in green leaf, cotton candy, and 120-pound white. So down here they've given you nice cardstocks to go with this kit. It's all just lovely. The coordination in the kit is lovely, I think. And let's take a look at the stamp set. Oh my gosh. It's gorgeous. Love everything about you. You are so special to me. Let's get it. Nice, good focus going on. True friend, miss you. Thinking of you. Thanks for always being there. You are beautiful to me. Adore you. So happy for you. Hello, friend. Love. You're amazing. So you can mix and match the different sentiments, and these flowers are just gorgeous. And it's a very, very nice stamp set with the foliage, the shape of the foliage in these papers. That'll be really nice. Gorgeous, gorgeous kit. And again, this is from Simon Says Stamp. They do monthly kits, just like lots of other people. And I'm just showing you options. If you have too much stuff, then maybe a kit is not the way for you to go, a monthly kit. But if you're just getting started, or if you want something that's grab and go and ready to play with on the road, this kits might be the way for you to go. I think this one is really fun and very well timed for spring, so that you would definitely be inspired when you got it in the mail. You wouldn't think, oh, I'm not interested. In fact, I would like to take it all apart and play with it, but it's not mine. Thanks so much for watching, you guys, and I hope you're taking time for crafting and relaxing. Bye-bye.